Okay, so hopefully you can see me up here. This is called the flower and tree painting. What I loved about it most is I loved the gold detailing. We have a lot of gold pieces and added touches throughout our family room, so I really love that gold accent. Also with some of the brown and of course the black, which blends again with what we have our furniture and some of the other decorative pieces that we have here in our family room. The size, you can pick whatever size you want, which is great, but you can also pick whatever color frame you want. So we did choose gold here, but they have got many choices that you can choose from. And again, just adding some decorative elements because it's on this high shelf. I love the mix of the black with the earth tones and the gold vases. And again, just went out to the yard to put these stems in here. And to me, I think it just put everything together so beautifully. We absolutely love it.